Okay. What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Takeshi Aquatics, and yes,
it is another unboxing.
But today it's a very small unboxing. Most of the fish in this shipment is already accounted for. It's pretty much fish that people have already ordered. But we do have some fish in here that's going to be pretty cool, at least in my opinion. Nothing really rare, but still really cool. So let's get to it. I'd like to give a big thanks to Tucky's Bettas and her husband and her family for shipping my fish here as fast and safe as possible. I think these fish want to get out of these little bags already, like right now. I'm also doing an Instagram live right now, so if you see my eyes kind of go down over there, that's because that's where the phone is for Instagram live. But in any case, if you did want to see the live from Instagram, then just jump on my Instagram. It's takeshi.aquatics, and yeah, you'll see the live over there. All right, so let's get started because we got a lot to cover. All right, are we live?
I can't tell.
Anyway, well, I don't know if anybody's going to be joining or anything like that, but we do have a shipment here today, and it's a very tiny shipment. Hopefully the fish are alive and healthy, but let's get to it. We got to get these fish out of the bag. We don't have a lot of fish today, but a lot of the fish over here are already accounted for. So let's get started with the more expensive fish, because I got to get that going. And I don't think that expensive fish is going to fit in this container, but hopefully they're alive. Oh no. Yeah, they're alive. So this, I guess I can put it in the container, but I'm not going to. It's a very tiny bag, but as you can see, this is called a Xanthic eel. This is about a 7-incher. Anyways, I gotta get this out of the bag because he's probably, or she's probably like, I don't think I'll be able to get him into a container, or her, whatever it is. I don't know if I should even try because it's so big, but we need to examine him, make sure he is in fact alive. Oh yeah, nice and healthy. Look at that. Wow. Look at that. That is cool. Focusing. Up next, this guaranteed dead. Look at that. Look at this bag. There's like no air in it at all whatsoever. Look at that. Let's find out. Dude, I don't know how, but it's still alive. Is that crazy? I think this is a little bit too bright here. Can't turn it down. Oh well. Look at that. Another Xanthic eel. There should be one more, unless that one's smooshed too. Oh, look at that. I'm not sure what this is, but it's a DOA. So we got one DOA today. Oh my gosh, and it's alive. My water's almost done. Oh, come on. Oh yeah. Oh, tasty. Look at that. Woohoo! 3 eels. What's in this bag over here? Woohoo! Look at that. She is a female guppy. This is, I believe, the platinum. Super cool looking guppies. Thank you very much, Tucky, for these. Much appreciated. Again, get your guppies from Tucky and you will not be disappointed. Look at that. That's a female. Pretty nice. Next, we have the male platinum Dumbo. Look at that. No, you guys can't really see it, can you? Platinum guppy out. This is the male Dumbo. Almost perfect condition. Okay, another male, same strain. Wow, these are beautiful. Ooh, why are the bags wet? Don't tell me something is leaking. Oh yeah, it's okay. It's okay. We got this. This is another male. Same species. Sorry, same species and strain. You guys can see that. Super nice. I'm just gonna leave it here just for a little while because it's super nice. Female, same species, same strain. Thank you very much. Have a good day. You know, let's get to it. It's the female platinum, whatever. I gotta get the names for these, but I'm just always in such a rush. Okay, so next, oh yeah, female. Let's get going. Gotta do this as fast as possible. Sorry guys, you know, I always miss the comments because this time, wow, there's a lot of comments. I gotta get these guys going. So this is a female platinum koi. And again, these guppies are from Tucky's Bettas. So, okay, last bag. Dude, when the fish are alive, it makes me happy. It really, really does. Now, a lot of people don't realize that when these fish are shipped, a lot of them don't make it. And so, you know, you're still paying money for it, right? And even if the seller is a good seller, they'll replace your fish for you for free. So they'll send you a free fish, but you still got to pay the fees. You still got to pay the shipping. So if you paid, say, $20 for a fish, you got to add the fees and shipping. The fish comes in and it's DOA. Yeah, maybe you get a free fish, but then you still got to pay your fees and shipping. So that adds to your overall cost. So it's always good good to get it when it's already here, already acclimated. What we got here? Actually, what are these? Okay, this is the one. Wow, these are, yep, so these are the blue eye molly. Look at that. How beautiful they are. Pretty rare. I mean, they're Dumbos. I mean, they're pretty rare. Next. Oh, this one has a lot of air. What's in here? Dead fish? What is this? Huh. I don't know, but I like the air. You see how much air there is in here? I like it, but I don't like opening it because sometimes it pops and the water goes into my mouth. But anyway, what is this? I don't know. Oh, killifish. You know what? I don't remember ordering this one. Maybe oh yeah, because I got some females over there. Okay, so this is the killifish. These are the non-annuals. So we brought some more in. Thinking about bringing in like a whole bunch of these. But they're annuals, so you know, if I don't sell them, they die. Here's another beautiful platinum blue-eye molly. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that beauty. And they're balloon. Okay, so that's something that they're balloon. You know, the video quality looks so much better on the iPhone than my regular camera. But anyway, I'm thinking, I don't know what this is by the way, but I'm thinking, you know, when you poop in your toilet, smell that burns your nostrils. That's probably ammonia. Nah, I don't know. I have no idea. What is this? Oh! I have no idea how to sex these things, but I guess I'll go do some Googling. But this is the shell dwellers. These are so easy to... Whoa. You saw that? Brother almost wanted to jump out. So for those fish, the males are apparently really easy to find. Well, not easy. I mean, you gotta know where to look, but they're easier to find. The females, however, nobody wants to sell the females. All right, I don't know what this is. I have no idea what this is. What is this? Can anybody tell me what this is? This looks like a fish. I don't know. Yes, my heart did drop. You know what's weird? I'm really sorry though. If I miss your comments, I can't get it back because Instagram doesn't save the comments for whatever reason. This looks like a betta or something. Oh, this must be one of the wild bettas. I don't know what this is, but another. Oh, but when it does, hopefully I can get to it fast enough. Yeah, this is a wild. These are betta, the wild. Starts with a B, I think. Like this bag doesn't have much air. Oh, I saw something jumping. Not bad so far, 1 DOA, but we still got some ways to go. Got about 50 fish today or something, 40. Another molly. You guys already seen these, so not gonna hold this for very much longer, but these are the platinum Dumbo mollies. What's next? Same thing. Oh, they're all nice though. They're all really good quality. Gotta move fast. We got more shell dwellers somewhere. Oh, this must be one. This must be one. Oh, yep, another shell dweller. I think this might be a female. Please don't jump. I think these are like the coolest fish maybe not on the planet, but these are really, really cool fish. They hide in the shell. It's so cool. They move the shells around. They just do all kind of stuff. And I like them a lot, but they're so hard to find. They had a long travel. You know, 5 days of traveling is quite a lot of days. Okay, we have another platinum molly over here. What else did I get? There's so many bags in there. So platinum molly, another platinum molly. Maybe I just gotta get out of another mule. These are the blue-eyed. I don't know, their eyes blue. Oh yeah, hey, check that out. You can really see the blue eyes on this molly. This one really shows the blue eyes. Let's see, I'm just gonna close my eyes. Another molly. You know what? I don't even think my YouTube viewers would wanna see. Let's try another one. Ooh, another mule, but a little bit different mule. This is a different color. This could be, wow. Hey, I like this one. This, I believe, and I could be mistaken, is the electric blue. The electric blue mule. Look at that. How's that look? Woohoo! Nice electric blue mule. Another mule probably. Nope, dead fish. Nope, this is a killie. Killie. Yep, male killie. Water's a bit dirty, but not as bad as I've seen many other. But this is the non-annuals. I love them. They're so easy to breed. What? Not gonna have to worry about. Oh, yes. Come on. Yes. Another Shelly. Thank you. Looks like a male. Are you alive, Shelly? Yep, Shelly is alive. Shelly is alive, but I think he really needs to get acclimated ASAP. So let's get him in. What is this? I don't think it's not some molly. I don't know. Now, oh, another one. Oh, whoa. It's trying to jump. Look, it's trying to jump. Oh, you know why? Probably like, get me out of here. I need to breathe. I have no air. No problem, brother. I got your back. Whoa. Chill. Oh, I felt it hit my hand. Whoa. Okay, so this is another shell dweller. I'm gonna put him in the tank already because he or she is trying to get all cray on me right now. 1, 2, 3, all alive. Thank you very much. Everybody asks me for these. Always good to stock these because these are so beautiful from the top and the bottom. These are, I wouldn't say they're rare anymore, but they definitely are a little harder to find. These are the 24 karat gold. ribbons. So the 24 karat gold guppies are pretty easy to find. The 24 karat gold ribbons are just a little bit harder to find. And that's pretty much it, guys. I mean, I think I got 3 bags more that are the same fish, the same strain. I'm just gonna leave the live on here and then maybe get to the comments just so that I don't miss it like I did last time. So we got more golds here and they're all alive. So thank you everybody for watching. Please like, subscribe, share this video if you want. Of course, yes, that's all I do is unboxing. Hopefully I can do more. I always say that, but it's just, even though my shop is very small and microscopic, it's hard to maintain everything, especially when you are constantly upgrading and constantly trying to make things better. So I'll try, but for now I'm just making unboxing videos. But again, you know, I'll do my best to try and get other videos out if I can. In any case, thank you so much for watching. I appreciate all of you who do, and I'll see you in the next one. All right.